This next demonstration will show how to use the SecureAnyBox launcher, which is a utility in a Windows machine that will allow you to simply click the Connect button within SecureAnyBox and automatically be connected without ever seeing the credentials. To start with, we'll go ahead and log in as our demo user. Once we're in here, we can go into Downloads, and the third option is the SAB launcher. This is a simple MSI file which, when installed, gives us the utility that we need for this feature. As you can see, this is a pretty simple install. Accept the agreement, and otherwise click Next until the install is completed. It'll automatically start when we finish. And now down in the system tray, we can see the utility. If we go to Settings, if not already filled in, you can fill in the path to PuTTY, the remote desktop client options, as well as a path to WinSCP. You can see those here and choose those defaults so you know how the system will open connections to things that are stored within SecureAnyBox. With those set correctly, you can hit the X. It leaves it running in the system tray, as you can see. And now we need to go to something. We need to go to something that has a connection set up. So we'll go to our DBA user, which is a login to our database server. Now notice I'm not going to actually view the password. I'm not going to access it or request it. I'm simply going to either hit connect or go back to the server level and choose one of the connect links here. And the first one's the root login. And actually I don't have the right password saved for this. So as I type in my access code, it'll get the right password from SecureAnyBox, but I don't have it stored correctly. So it fails and leaves us with a prompt for a password, which is just fine. If I try the DBA user, who does have the correct password though, you can see I log right in and I'm at the prompt ready to start working as the DBA user without ever having to go and get the credentials or type anything else in. So the nice thing about this is that there's no interaction between me and the actual password or any other connection information. You can see again that I am the DBA user in this PuTTY window. Something else that's nice about SecureAnyBox is that it does things besides PuTTY. It can have other types of connections, for example, a remote desktop connection, WinSCP connection, those same settings that you saw as we configured the launcher options. That's all for now.